Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful and vibrant paper wall hanging like the one you see here. It's perfect for adding a splash of color to your room or as a thoughtful handmade gift. Let's get started. Materials you'll need. Colored paper, I'm using shades of blue, green, yellow, and red. Scissors, glue, a ruler, a pencil, a circular object for tracing like a lid or a small bowl, string or strips of paper for hanging. First, we need to create the circular base for our wall hanging. Take your green paper and trace a large circle using your circular object. You can adjust the size depending on how big you want your wall hanging to be. Once traced, cut it out carefully. This will serve as the foundation for all the flowers and details we'll add. Now, let's make the flowers. For this, I'm using two different colors for contrast green and yellow. Start by cutting out some green flower shapes. You can either freehand them or draw a simple flower shape and use it as a template. Make sure you cut out enough flowers to cover the circular base. Once you have the flowers, add the yellow circle in the middle for the flower's center. Then, cut small red circles and place them in the very center of each yellow one. To add a pop of color, glue the flower layers together, ensuring the red circles are centered in each flower. Next, we'll create the blue petal-like shapes that go in between the flowers. Cut out teardrop or oval shapes from the blue paper, and then carefully place and glue them around the green base, alternating with the flowers. This will give a beautiful contrast and make the hanging look fuller. Now for the hanging part. Cut 5 to 6 long strips of blue paper, each about an inch wide. These will be attached to the bottom of the circular base and will hang down beautifully. At the bottom of each strip, add a green flower with the yellow and red center, similar to the flowers on the top. Once everything is glued together, let it dry for a few minutes. After that, attach a loop of string or another strip of paper to the top of your circular base for hanging. And that's it. You've just made a stunning wall hanging. I hope you enjoyed making this colorful and easy paper wall hanging with me. If you recreate this design, don't forget to share it with me on page or in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video to my channel. And until next time, happy crafting!